Hello. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I was gonna say Tuesday. Um, Welcome. Here we are, ready to trade. Bring A plus performance, and the market is continuing to move higher. Doesn't mean there's opportunities though. It's pretty choppy. It's not clean. For those reasons, I am naturally just more risk off, and I'm simply accepting the fact that I may not make a trade today. So really gonna be sitting here and waiting for a high quality setup. So what will make today a win even though every trade loses? For me, that would be yeah, just honestly, if I don't take a trade, that's completely fine. Really avoiding bad trades, being more risk off and just taking a high quality trade if it appears. If it doesn't appear, it doesn't appear. But I'm ready to trade well and take a high quality trade. If it's a loser and it's a high quality trade, I'm okay with it. But if it's a winner, I mean, I'm okay with a winner too. But if it's a low quality setup that I took, I'm gonna have problems with that. Okay, let's get started though. I'm gonna go ahead and open Bookmap. It's a rainy day. Okay, things are opening. Let's start with the 1 day and 1 week. So, when I was doing my review last night, I saw this a rip higher. Then we almost closed as a jackknife, but now we could see we're continuing back higher. I really just that we're ripping or going higher and higher. It's great. Um, if you have a long-term money in the market, for opportunity today doesn't mean much. So yeah, that's really it. I already added my levels, so I don't have to do that tonight. I mean right now, so that's great. But yeah, no, it's pretty strong and bullish. We are looking good. Like look at this 1 week on a single red candle. I mean on here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles. So like some days, are like very little movement too. But this day was simply just a retrace of like half the body. Okay. I mean that's really it. So let's go to the 1 hour and 4 hour. Okay. So here. Wait. That doesn't make sense. Uh, I think it just deleted my line. That's kind of rude. Okay, I'll re-add. Okay. And so here we got like a little bit of like a wick test here and then now a wick test here. But I'm not gonna conclude much just yet. Okay. Sorry, I mean, it should have added the lines. I mean, I did it yesterday. I guess it just didn't say properly. It's a quick fix. Um, okay. Then this is an area as well. Oh, hey Tanish, how are you, man? Okay, so looks good there. Yeah, basically we're just ripping higher. That's all. I had to add the lines here. Okay, cool. Let's get to the 15-minute and 30-minute. So we can see VIX is just breaking down, and what does that mean? It means chop. Doesn't mean this means bad price action. So I gotta be careful there. Okay, yeah, no, I'm just tripping. I think what actually happened was that I added the lines, but then it just ripped even higher. Wow. Okay. Yeah, and I thought that was high. How much are we ripping total? Like from where we closed, that's 1.5%. Wow, pretty shocking. You touched a high of 2,800, 600. But the market makes these crazy highs in the pre-market session, and then just like doesn't do it again. Like it will do it, but it will do it when the market's closed, when the market's quiet. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oh my god, oh, I keep pushing the wrong button. Keep it like that. I don't want it too messy. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. So I'm only adding these lines. I don't know, like just because I'm like where never mind. Just gonna move on. Yeah. Let me just copy this. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's get to the 5 minute and 10 minute. Okay, so we got a low volume node here and here. I'm gonna mark the whole thing. I think we're already gonna try to play it. Okay. Okay, look at this divergence. Okay, wow. Cool. Now we just sit and wait. We just play VWAP. Get overflow here too.
Let's go.
So we had that breakout. So we got that low volume node right here. Okay, so let's see buyers, sellers are absorbed here. And for my lesson from Tuesday is just I'm taking it slow. There's no rush. Run the view up again. Okay. There's the breakout. Clear the low volume node. Buyers came in. Overall, I mean, they're moving better in sync. ES as well. And ES and 9Q are moving in sync a little bit better. Jackknives. That's what I mean by it's not proper price action. Really gotta be careful. Others are trying to break lower. They were able to break lower. They play point of control. Another flush to view up. A little bit continuation. I want to take this, but it's just gonna break through so quickly that I'm just like, it just doesn't feel right, like to just jump that. Yeah, with my voice, I don't know why it's being like that. I really did want to take that trade. It's just it's like it feels I don't know. Yeah, I guess. I think the thing is like yeah, I could have played point of control, but I'm like, is that really like the best risk play? Would it have been? No, yeah, it would have worked, but it's just like, you know, eh, for future reference. How do I keep getting this email? I gotta stop it. They're like too annoying. Keeps contacting me about skincare. No, I just realized I just cleared the two little volume nodes on ES. Nah, this I don't think this would play, but okay, nice second leg push out. Looks good. ES is leading this time. Not the cleanest for that reason though, for ES to be leading. Let's just see 20 seconds left on this candle. Maybe a playback. There's liquidity at 500. We get to actually play it. Okay, we played it. This will be a cool trade, but I don't really get the reasoning for it. Maybe with the wick test, you feel liquidity. Liquidity was met. Right? Yeah, it was met. Yeah, if sellers come back again, I would probably be interested. Because I'm playing basically this level, which is this area of risk is honestly pretty defined, like above that wick. Now the question is, will we flush? Okay, it did fill. I could have played a little bit more. I was just wanting to play a level. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Feels good to take a good trade. Needed that. Especially after Monday. Nice. Oh, and look at it break down even more. Okay, so the reasoning was actually sound this time. Not some like, oh, I think it's gonna play 900. It was more like, actually, this is good convo. But basically, the reasoning behind this trade was simply that, okay, we had that breakout. ES was leading, not NQ. That's not bullish. That's bearish. The fact that ES was leading, not NQ should have been leading if it was bullish. Then the fact that we fill liquidity, once we fill liquidity, that could have been a passive seller that was met. So all his liquidity was filled. Then you could see we were chopping around, and I was like, okay, if we come back here, I'll be interested in to play in this level. So I allowed the market to give that noise back up to here, and then I entered here if it closes like a doji, and it did. So overall, great. That's great. So I just need to watch this little part of the video, and that will be enough for me to journal the rest of the trade. But that's an A+ quality trade, 100%. Bearish divergence, liquidity filled by seller, doji close, buyers fail to show strength and flush the point of control with strong momentum. This trade could have played easily for, I'll just show you, but like that's not the goal, but like it just shows like 20 points basically, a little bit more than that, but that's good. And it just, I love when I take trades that have greater momentum, just to show that, okay, you were thinking straight about the edge. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's check. So I don't know, I did move my take profit a little bit, and because of that, I really don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference. But I could have got filled just for a bad fill. Let's see. That's not great, but it's not horrible. But it's not great for sure, because 1750 and it's supposed to be 2000, right? So that's 850, 950. That's $250. It is what it is. It's still a win. I'll take it. A little bit rough on that side. I think it's simply because, I mean, I just moved it literally 2 ticks. I removed 2 ticks of, let's just see, just out of curiosity. Oh yeah, I have to log back in. So that would have been 1900. So I moved $100. Okay, from 2 ticks. From 2 ticks. Wow, $100 from 2 ticks. Anyways, yeah, 2 ticks, $100. So that means each tick is $50. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So if it was 900, so then it makes more sense, because then it's like, what, it's $100 instead of no, it's $100. 100, and after commissions is $120. So it's more reasonable. But I mean, I'm happy that I did that. I'm not mad. I think I'm just like a little, like, the thing is, I mean, if you think about it, I've been reducing my, I guess why I'm being like this is just simply because I know that just give me a sec. Let me put this here. Is that I know, like, the thing is, I've been really good at taking losses with good risk management. What I mean by that is that I'm not taking a 10-point loss. I'm taking maybe 9 points, 8 points, 7 points, and that's helping me reduce my risk a lot, right? But if I take a 10-point loss, it's not gonna be $2,000. It's probably gonna be 2,300. I just naturally have worse slip on my losers, and on my winners, it's like the moment it touches it, it gets me out, which I mean, it's not bad, but of course, like, I literally, in my whole trading career so far, trading futures, I've only had one favorable slippage on my winner. But on my losers, it's like 70%, 80% of my trades are like that. But why complain? Like, I tell myself that it's just a part of doing the business, right? You're gonna have slippage on sellers. That's why I reduce risk. It's just what it is. And honestly, it just helps me have better risk management. My winners, like today, like 17. I mean, it's still great. It's a great amount. Um, I'm happy with that. But now I also know like a little bit more about the ticks. One tick is $50, so that's good to know. Just for future if I do that. But I think the way I handled it by reducing a little bit of risk like that was a good play because I don't want it to get front run, and I think that was a great idea. So I'm proud of that. And yeah, overall it was good. I think I'm just being a little bit like not negative, but just a little bit. I don't know what's the word. I mean, maybe a little bit ungrateful. I think it's just that. So let's be grateful. Like, I took a great quality trade, A plus quality trade, and it was a very good looking trade. I'm very proud of that trade. Um, and I'm happy with it. My take profit, with my stop loss. My stop loss was also, it was an A plus. I'm really proud of that trade, just simply because everything aligned to take that trade. That felt good, especially coming from Monday where I just took a trade like which kind of felt urgent and just like improper. That's why I took Tuesday off. So felt good. Um, okay, sorry about that. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'm grateful. I'm happy. Great performance, and I'll see you all tomorrow. And just continue forward. So take care, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you all.